There are numerous reasons why anyone would love to be in Japan. Japan has always had a reputation for its distinctive culture and unique traditions. According to a study done by Michael Page, a British recruitment firm, 66% of Indians seek jobs abroad. Let's discuss the 7 most popular jobs for foreigners in Japan. English teacher. We all know that English is an international language. It is a crowded market and also pays very well. There are almost always jobs available. Japan is no exception. There is huge demand of English teachers in Japan. Engineer. Japan is known for its advanced engineering, and companies are happy to hire foreign workers and keep the design aspect of their business on shore. Foreign engineers would mainly be needed in the automobile industry to design parts. IT professional. Many Japanese companies hire foreign IT professionals such as software engineers and programmers, making this the second most common job foreigners take in Japan. Investment banking. Large investment banks can afford to relocate workers or hire foreign staff, and it's much more common to find foreign employees in banks in Japan. Translator or interpreter. There is always a need for translation and interpreting, and not just for Japanese to English but for many other languages too. Most of these jobs are in the gaming industry where game localization and testing is needed. Sales and marketing. International sales managers, sales support staff, and sales representatives are some of the posts that local Japanese companies like to fill with foreign workers. Service staff. Jobs in the tourism industry such as hotels and resorts as well as restaurants and cafes in busy tourist areas will be specially open to hiring foreign staff because their dual language skills would be an asset. Earlier it was only possible to receive a work visa outside of Japan, but at present you can go to Japan on a 90-day tourist visa, find a job and a company to sponsor you. Thereafter, get everything processed within Japan. Here we have a clip that will help you understand the benefits of Japanese language.
Today we have some Japanese friends with us, so I would like to introduce them to you all. So firstly, we have Miss Maya Nagasawa, who was born and brought up in Japan, and currently she is working at NEC with translation, interpretation and teaching. Then we have Mr. Satyashil Kaushik, who is teaching us Japanese from past 2 months, and he is in the same profession at NEC. As a native of Japan, how do you feel about the fact that Japanese is being learned here in India by the students of KIET?
I think it's a really great thing that people are learning Japanese because it's something that broadens your horizons, not only for gaining new opportunities for career, but also for understanding new culture, which gives you more insight into understanding the world.
What do you want to say about the role of Japanese in shaping the careers of students in the near future in Japan and abroad?
So the current scenario is that we have only 2% of immigrants inside of Japan, and also with the political climate where Abe and Modi are really making a lot of effort in building ties. I'd say it's a great time to pursue what kind of career options you may have and see what opportunities you may have in the Japanese career market. I think Japanese, although it's a very difficult language, I really would encourage those who are studying to pursue it further and make effort in understanding the language, because it's not something that you just learn in the classroom. It's something that will be carried on into your life, and learning the language is really truly a blessing for an individual.
So what are you waiting for? Learn Japanese and be ready to work in Japan.